Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cat's Cottage. And you know, it was going to rain this morning. So either I'm going to cook or I'm going to go shopping. And I did both. So I'm going to show you, I made some brownies or fudge. Here we go right there. Hadn't cut them up yet. They're real hot. So I'm going to come out here on the balcony. And I'm going to show y'all. Turn it back. Now the noise you might hear is I got a fan going out here to keep the flies off of me. So, but anyway, I went shopping and I got a few things. Got this curtain rod. There's the tip of it. It's in, real long. You make it real long. You make it real short. When I see these of value, I get them, and it wasn't no discount. This was $2. Okay. I'm gonna lower this a little bit. There we go. Now, so you can see my table. Okay. Next thing I got was this pillow. I just thought it was so pretty. All pillows are $3. And I'm going to put it on the balcony here in one of the chairs. And the next thing, this was $2. And you know I like Mr. Bunny. I like Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Anyway, I thought this was just so cute. I don't know where I put it, or I might put it away till time for the Easter Bunny. And then the rest of this is in a bag. And this is a beautiful bottle, beautiful gold bottle. It says Hattie Carnegie. Hattie Carnegie. It's a perfume bottle. It appears that it's never had anything in it. It's in perfect shape. It's beautiful. Okay. And then next, okay, I got this for someone in mine at $2. It's a ornament. Very pretty. I'll put that in there with I'll put this in my perfume cabinet. Okay. And now on my old people cabinet, I have a little shelf where it's all about the chickens. They're feeding chickens and all that. And I know she's not old, although I could make her old, but anyway, she's feeding the chickens. And she was $2. I can't read that little emblem on the bottom, but I'm sure it's not very valuable. But it'll go with what I've got. And then lastly, I got some, they are spoons. You know, Japanese eat with them, I guess. They eat soup. I'm not going to eat with them. I'm going to put them made in China. I'm going to put them with my Chinese dishes that are Chinese, Japanese, Asian dishes that I'm kind of collecting up. They were $2 for these two. And that's it. That's what I got. Didn't go crazy. I could have went crazy. I've seen a lot of stuff I wanted, but I'm trying to keep it under control. Okay. Well, that was good talking to y'all, and I guess I'll go shopping next time it rains. The way this storm's going through, I could be shopping every day. Just joking. Bye-bye.